Using Canva is easy and fun. So let's get started. When you open the platform, it'll look like this. You can go straight to the search bar and type in comic strip. It might autofill for you. And let's take a look at what they have to offer. You've got lots and lots of pre-made comics to choose from. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to home, and I've already started creating one. And we'll choose dinosaurs, for example. And I'll show you how I work with this one. So you've got 3 screens. Let me adjust this a bit so that you can see more of it. You've got 3 screens to choose from. You can choose the one that they've already got formatted for you. You can create your own. This is page 2. And then you've got this illustration set that you can use. And you can move these up into whichever frame you want and adjust them so that they suit you. Let's see if we can escape from here. And I'm going to start working with some of these. Now, I need to make something clear. Your comic strips don't have to be funny. I'm not funny. My attempts at being funny have proven time and again that I am not funny. So let's think about this as a graphic novel, a very, very short graphic novel. So for instance, let's say I wanted to move things around a bit. You can select it by single clicking on it, and then you can use your up, down, and to the side arrows to move things around if you wanted to move things out of the way, or if you wanted to delete it, just like that. Think you made a mistake? Come up here and undo your changes. Now let's go to this other page. You can change the title of the comic either up here. I've changed the name of this one a couple of times. It will auto save for you, which is pretty cool. But you can create your own right here. And you can use items from this illustration set. So let's copy this and just paste it right there. You can move it around and you can resize it if you want. Now you notice that these are all in pots, and what I did here was I just had the dinosaurs hide the pots, but you've got lots of other options. If you come over here to elements, lots of elements, and you can search these elements. Let's go with palm trees. Let's see what they've got under palm trees. I like this one. This one's free. So let's we've added him here, and again you can make him smaller, and we kind of want him in front. So let's bring forward, and that way our palm tree is behind him. You can, if you triple click on these word bubbles, you can change the dialogue. If your bubble is not big enough, you can adjust it. And again, if you don't like what you did there, just undo. If you wanted to bring this forward for whatever reason, you would right-click, select it, right-click on it, and bring it forward. Don't like what you did? Just undo it. So, as I said, Canva automatically saves your creation, and if you go back to the home page, so if I just close that, it'll bring me back to my home page, and I can see anything that I've created, so you can see all of my little designs right here. So this is a fun tool. It's a lot of information. You can create something without spending a ton of time getting to know the application. So let's go ahead and stop right there so I don't overwhelm you. Let's move on.